Recent heavy rains of monsoon throughout Pakistan, and in Khosdar particularly, have given a new life to the underground water table, and the natural streams once reduced almost to half of their natural capacity. Chutok is one big but a brilliant example of it. As the Brahui word shows, the Chuttok as falling water, but it has now turned to heavy showering all around. As the locals of Moolah say that this extreme showering or falling of water with full force, visible after about 30 years, giving a winsome and a magical look to every eye one focuses to it. The apprehension of Chutok going dry rooted out once for all, and each drop of water brings a new ray of hope of Chutok of living long, crossing ups and downs with a successful survival. The nature has her kindness to Chutok, though declared devastating to the areas following on surface. The areas which possibly feed Chutok the drops of its life spreading over the areas which include the plains of Zahri, the peaks of Harbui, and the valley of Pandran with the recharging of water resources and the blooming beauty of Chutok. People are restless to see it with full flourishing beauty of it. Though unfriendly, Shingle Road covers a small area. The then Chutok lovers are approaching, considering difficulties no obstacle. But what makes them to be conscious? That is the force of flowing of water, which does not allow to move in the water as freely as was earlier.